In this lecture, we are going to discuss the basic introductions of the human physiology. We will explore how much important physiology is in your life, and we will cover the different aspects of it. So, the chemical reactions or the characteristics and the mechanisms happening inside the human body is all about physiology. What happenings inside your body, how hard you are pumping blood, and how your brain working properly, and how your digestive system works properly. All these things, all the functions, all the metabolism and happenings inside your body will fall in the physiology. So physiology will help you in getting the basic functional properties of your body and what happenings inside your body. So all these functioning information you get by studying the physiology. So, but the question is the most important, all these activities and the mechanisms that are happening inside your body will make you alive. That is the important thing. If these functioning or these mechanism stop, then ultimately there will be no life, and we can say the person or the uh, man is no more, just by stopping the mechanism that is happening inside the body of the human. So how do we remain alive? Due to the metabolism or the chemical reactions or the mechanisms happening inside your body. If these mechanism stop, then there will be no life. So you are alive just because of the chemical reactions or the mechanisms happening inside your body. And if there is an alteration in these mechanism, then there would be that can show some disease or the disorders. That is the important thing. So normal functioning is quite important to live a good life or the healthy life. So, and by studying physiology we get some more informations, like, let's pause. If I say hunger, when the blood glucose level start decreasing, then one can feel hunger. Hunger will make you to get some food, and after that when someone gets some food, then ultimately the hunger start decreasing. Similarly, fear. Fear will make you to get some refuge. So that is the feeling that will prevent you from some danger. So if there is no feeling like fear inside your body, then your survival in this world would be difficult. So this feeling and these feelings would be important for the survival of the human being. Otherwise, it would be difficult to live. Similarly, sensation of cold will also, if someone feels sensation of cold, then that one will try to get warmth. If these feelings will not exist, then ultimately one will not survive. So this is how important these feelings for someone life. So feeling of sensing someone, like sensing smell, like touching sense. So all these senses are also important, and there is some mechanism behind all these senses, like feeling like happiness, sad, rage. All these feelings will also be important. And ultimately, obviously there is a mechanism behind each feelings sensing. So that will be covered in the physiology. And knowledgeable beings, you get some knowledge from the books, from the peoples. All these knowledge you get and retain in your brain, just because of physiology, because in all these processes happening inside your body, because there is some functions or the mechanism behind storing informations and the knowledge inside your brain. So this is how much important physiology is, and important this will important if someone want to live a good life, because there is no survival if these feelings and the sense not exist. You can't think about the survival of life. So this is all about the basic informations of the physiology. If you still have any question, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.